MTN arrived in Cameroon 25 years ago with a vision to transform lives, a quarter century of impact, innovation, and unforgettable moments. Yes, the years pass, but some stories are meant to be shared. Because transforming lives means offering a hand when it's needed most. Transforming lives means bringing smiles to those who need them the most. Standing by the most vulnerable, achieving the extraordinary, like building a school in just 21 days. Transforming lives also means shaping a mindset, turning MTN family members into unbeatables, the captains of their lives.
Soyons imbattables.
Soyons les capitaines de nos.
From humble fields with small goals to grand stadiums brimming with passion, we've helped nurture the elite of Cameroonian football. Granting land titles is more than giving pieces of soil. It's securing the future of many families, a place to grow, to build, and to lay every step for a prosperous business tomorrow. Transforming lives is also creating opportunities, opening doors to build a brighter future. With financial support too, we've impacted so many lives, sharing billions with Cameroonians across all 10 regions. Job seekers, students, entrepreneurs. In 25 years, countless dreams have come true. Securing land property, living in a fully furnished villa, becoming a millionaire, owning a vehicle, becoming your own boss. 25 years of transforming you into millions of bosses. Bosses of your businesses, bosses of your lives. MTN and you, together for 25 years, everywhere you go.